While riding in a country road, this biker had his motorcycle completely toe-tailed after a deer suddenly changed direction and crossed directly into his path. Fortunately, this biker was not riding fast, and he later confirmed that the bear was okay.
Holy shit. Dude, I just hit a f***ing bear. Yeah. No, I'm good. Nick, I just hit a f***ing bear. I hit a bear. Hold on.
Animals are completely unpredictable and can change direction in a split second. On open roads, especially in rural areas, one unexpected move can turn a normal ride into a serious crash.
Dude, what are you doing, doggy? Come on, get out of the road, go home. You dummy.
This biker was met by a gang of street dogs. Dogs are often triggered by the sound and movement of motorcycles, causing them to instinctively chase.
Why is there a lot of dogs coming? No! No! Hey! 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 That scared me. That was like 1,000 dogs right there, guys. Did you guys see that?
Unfortunately, this biker was thrown from the motorcycle after hitting a deer and suffered serious injuries as a result. A dog made its way onto busy freeway and managed to run a long distance before being safely surrounded by a couple of motorcyclists.
Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Are we going to, can you put this in here? Can you put him in your car at all? Yeah. I don't know, maybe. Oh, okay. Maybe the vet.
After striking the deer, this biker was fortunate to stay upright, but the motorcycle absorbed a heavy impact and suffered significant damage.
Yeah.
Did you go down at all?
I don't know how I didn't. It was a pretty big impact, and as you can see, the whole front of my bike is pretty much gone. I don't know if it tweaked anything, but it's...
Did the deer take off?
Huh?
Did the deer take off?
I think its back leg definitely broken. It's just like on the side of the road over there. What really sucks is that these fairings are discontinued.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's because it's a GS and Suzuki doesn't make those anymore.
Yeah, it's crazy you're gonna go down, man.
Yeah, I almost got a little bit of the death wobble, but it straightened itself out.
Oh my god, there's a turtle. Oh my god, I need to save it.
After spotting a turtle in the middle of the road, this biker could not just ride past and leave it there. And when helping turtles, it's important to move them slowly in the direction they were already heading. And keep hands away from the mouth.
Oh my god, I'm scared. Please, 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 you're gonna make me hurt you. 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 Come on, buddy. Ah! Come on. It's okay. I don't know.
Father, help!
You're hurting yourself. Oh my god. You don't go in, buddy. You're hurting yourself. Oh my god. Ah! Are you okay? Okay. Why do I always have to encounter a turtle?
Oh.
Riding on the back roads can be beautiful and relaxing, but this video is a reminder that everything can change in a matter of seconds.
Yep, that's a radiator leak. All right, well, let's baby her on home.
This biker made sure to stop to avoid hitting the dog, but check out what she got in return. Sometimes danger appears out of nowhere, with no signs, no warnings, and no time to avoid it. This is an encounter almost every biker experiences at some point. A bee getting inside the helmet and delivering an unexpected sting.
My lip. Feels like there's something in my lip right now, biting me or something. That truck back there just pulled in front of me. Yeah. Just got stung on my chin by a bee. What the stupid little bastard. Damn it. I don't think you guys can see it because I got all this hair right here, but little bastard. Hope you guys can see the bee. Right there. I don't know, somewhere there. Oh, little bastard, dude. Got me like right. Right here. That sucked. Right after that fucking douchebag pulled like right in front of me.
These are some birds meeting in the road. Holy crap. Hello.
Encounters like this are impossible to predict, which is why proper riding gear is essential every time you get on a motorcycle.
Oh my god! Oh my god! What the f? Run! Oh my god!
Birds are another hidden danger for riders. Birds can suddenly take off or change direction without warning, and even a small impact can cause loss of control, especially at speed.
Tire baba. कसं एडिट झालं काय माहिती अरे. एक मिनिट.
And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave the like and follow us on other platforms. Links are in the description. If you want to support us, visit Lunatic store and get yourself something nice. See you in the next one. Ride safe!